Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Spices and Flavors. So today we are gonna make a sweet and spicy and tangy, a different chutney recipe that goes well with all kinds of dosas, idlis, even phulkas, or maybe even along with your chaats. This recipe also has a lot of nutritional benefits. Yes, we are making the most famous shaadi wale aloo bukharay ki chutney or plums chutney. Onto my saucepan I have taken up some plums that I have chopped finely or say quartered. To that I'm gonna add in some jaggery and some dates. You could also use regular sugar here, but we all know jaggery and dates are good for our health. I will switch on the flame on medium heat and give this a stir. To this I'm gonna add in a dried red chilli and some freshly grated ginger. I'm planning to give this to my little one who is just 2 years old now, so I have kept the level of spice little less here. You could however adjust it as per your family needs. Close it with the lid and cook it on medium flame for another 15 to 20 minutes. Do remember to give it a stir in between or else it might get burnt from the bottom. It's been 15 minutes now. The plums have almost softened. We need to cook it a bit more, but before that let's season up it a bit. Because plums are naturally sweet and sour, I'll do a taste test now just to ensure that everything is up to the mark and adjust the seasoning accordingly. I found that it was a little too sour, so I went ahead and added little more jaggery. Along with that I'll be adding some rock salt, some regular salt to taste, and then some cumin powder and some nutmeg powder. I also found that the level of spiciness was not enough, so I went ahead and added just about 1/8 teaspoon of red chili powder. This is optional, you can adjust it as per your needs. Give it a final stir, close with the lid and cook it for another 5 minutes. The plums have almost dissolved and softened now. The color itself is looking so beautiful. We didn't add any artificial colors here, it is from the natural plums. Switch off the gas and let it cool completely, then grind it to a smooth paste without adding any water. After grinding, transfer it to a clean glass container. To this, we are going to add in some sesame seeds that I have dry roasted for about a minute or so. Dry roasting the sesame seeds would increase its shelf life, nothing else. To this, I'm gonna add in some vinegar and mix everything well. Now adding the vinegar will ensure that this chutney stays fresh and good for up to 2 to 3 months in the refrigerator. But if you're planning to make a small batch of this chutney, then you can skip the vinegar instead and use the chutney within 2 to 3 days. Using just 10 plums we got such a good amount of chutney, then it is always advisable to add in just a teaspoon of vinegar so that it remains fresh for a longer time. You can also use dried plums here in place of fresh ones. Just remember to soak it for some time before proceeding with the recipe. Just close it with the lid and put it in your refrigerator for 2 to 3 months and use as and when needed. I have previously shared 5 different types of traditional and authentic South Indian chutney that is perfect for your idlis and dosas on the channel. I will link that in the description box below. Please have a look if you wish to. If you like my today's video, then please do hit the like button and subscribe to Spices and Flavors for more such vegetarian and baking related recipes. I will see you soon with yet another one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off from Spices and Flavors. Take care. Bye bye.